Oh!
Who lives north of us?
Nobody.
Woohoo!
I know it. Wow, those are so cool. Oh, God.
Don't start yourself on fire. Oh, those are good.
Yeah, Marvin.
I think they're trying to live like
Oh, jeez. What is wrong with those?
Come on, guys. Must be wet.
Sweating sunflower seeds and you have a tumor. Sounds amazing. Oh, it's one of those.
Your dad got it.
Woo! Ah. Oh, Uncle Lynn. Woo! Explosions? I know. Get out of the way. Like that. I think. Yep, I was right. Is that sad that I know that? Ooh, there's a fountain over there. It's gonna explode! Oh, it's doing something. What? Oh! Heads up! It's shooting! Oh, please don't be over here. Don't shoot this way. I was. Whew. Whoa, that one seems so like low. Get up a little bit higher. Oh my, see?
Oh.
Maybe those ones are done now. 112, 102, 107, 200,008.
Count. Oh my.
Woo! Oh, I'm gonna have lots of kids screaming on this video. Oh, it's still going.
Thing's going forever. These little poopers.
Uncle Lynn. Do you hear him? Unless his kid's screaming. I can't decide. Oh jeez. What the? Oh jeez. I thought that was just an artillery shell. Yeah, I lied.
Oh my goodness. How?
That made a bacon sound noise. Like
A bacon.
bacon like cooking or something. See, it sounds like bacon cooking.
Oh my gosh! What was
That
that?
one doesn't sound like bacon.
No,
That sounds like
That's very
fire
fresh
a
bacon.
gun.
I approve, Kristen.
Wow.
I approve of your husband now. Oh my gosh. What was going on?
Oh, I like those.
I do, but they're so low to the ground, it seems like. Like they almost remind me of wet spider webs or something. Like they kind of just cover the sky. Oh my gosh.
That was a bright one. Didn't do nothing.
We were all like, oh. Hey, look, it's a satellite.
I was just gonna say that. The
Mom,
words right out of my mouth.
we're in tune tonight, Mom.
Oh.
It's kind of creepy.
Oh my god.
I really hope my mic is picking them up.
Can you tell they're related?
Yeah.
Oh my stars.
I really hope my mic's picking them up.
Over there?
I really hope.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Goodness.
Spark.
Spectacular.
Fan freaking tastic.